Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your phone meets the operating system requirement and has enough storage. Once done, open the App Store and search for Threads. Don't guess, use the exact name. Tap Install or Update and wait for the progress to finish. This ensures you have the latest features. When the app finishes installing, press Open from the store or locate the Threads icon on your home screen. Make sure to permit basic permissions so the next steps proceed smoothly. You'll now enter your account details. Sign in with your Instagram account or create new credentials if needed. Once signed in, the app will ask for permissions. Grant profile access and notifications if you want seamless features. You can limit contacts later. After that, choose a username and verify it's available, then adjust privacy choices, public or restricted, and set notification frequency so you don't get overwhelmed. If you encounter verification prompts, follow the on-screen steps. This keeps your account secure and ready to use. You're ready to create content. Tap Compose, write your message, attach images or links, and choose who can reply. Once posted, follow a few accounts to populate your feed. Use the search bar or follow recommendations to find relevant creators. Make sure to explore settings to fine-tune privacy, notifications, and linked accounts. If the app won't load, force close and reopen it. Check your internet connection and confirm permissions. This troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.